Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Burger King's chicken fries sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for watching. Like I said, we're going to be making Burger King's chicken fries sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got a half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of mustard, and a half a cup of sweet barbecue sauce. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, add our mustard, add our barbecue sauce, and add the mayonnaise. Mix that all up really good so it all blends together. There's the sauce. I've got some chicken and I've got some fries because I don't have chicken fries, and we're going to taste this right after this photo shoot. So we got chicken and we got French fries. I don't have chicken fries per se, so we're going to give this a taste and see what it's like. First one on the chicken. Pairs well with the chicken. It's got that tanginess of the mustard and the barbecue sauce. The sweetness coming off that barbecue sauce too. And the creaminess of the mayonnaise. Let's try it with the French fries. Same thing. It goes well with everything here. Now I do recommend that you use a sweet barbecue sauce instead of a tangy or like a bold one, because it'll really change the flavor profile. This was aimed at kids, I'm sure, so they wanted it to be sweet. So this is really good. Yeah. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. BK's chicken fries sauce. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care of yourself. Recipes on my website, www.itsonlyfood.biz. www.itsonlyfood.biz. Take care of yourselves. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.